Hello ice dancers of YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to be covering forward outside open Mohawk. That's the type of turn found in the ladies 14 step and Viennese waltz, and also in the gentleman's Paso Doble. This step is an essential learning stepping stone towards Killian Choctaw. So if you're hoping to learn the Killian Choctaw sometime soon, definitely give this some revision. Or if you've never met this step before, join us.
We start with a forward outside edge, a strong skate side lead, and the back to the circle. Drawing our free foot into the floating T position, the goal is to maintain stillness. We're going to add to that challenge by bending the knees down and up gently, maintaining the floating T and the lean into the circle. Practicing our exit edge, the floating T is with the free foot held at the back of the skating heel. With the free side checked back strongly and the knees turned out to 90 degrees, add knee action down and up to test your check. To the wall. Starting with our hands on the wall, we're going to turn our head to face the direction of skating, walking through our shapes including foot placement, with particular focus on retracting the skating foot at the point of weight exchange, lifting neatly into our T at the back. We can walk it through again with a tiny bit of glide, placing our floating T on the entry, weight exchange and lifting, turning out the knees so we see the diamond shape opening back 90 degrees. Now we should never skate looking at our feet, but realistically everyone has a sneaky peek now and then, and if you do, this is what you're aiming to see. Although if we lean too far forward to look, our posture changes and the turn won't work. It can really help our understanding of how a turn works to see close-ups, so here are a couple more.
Outside open Mohawk prepares us for Killian Choctaw by learning the similarities to control the exit edge. But before we launch into our more advanced exercise, let's first make a little tune-up for our bodies off the ice.
Grab yourself a chair and sit feet firmly planted on the ground. Slouching is a no-no, so sit up tall. Raise the arms to shoulder height and twist. All of that rotation should come from your waist. You may find your shoulder pops up. If that's the case, gently squeeze it down, shoulder blade towards the center of the spine. Hold this for 30 seconds each side. And consider adding it to your warm-up. Now you're prepared, let's try the advanced control exercise. The simple goal here is to hold and maintain the exit check for as long as you possibly can. As you arrive on the exit edge of your Mohawk, keep employing the active twist that you felt while sitting in the chair.
Throughout the festive period, we're introducing a new short format video, and we've named this series Skill Shots. You'll be able to take a refreshing hit of technique whenever you choose, and just like a good shot of espresso, you'll be able to pep up your training on demand.